Have you ever heard of a foam party and wondered what it is? Let's explore this unique and fun event together. A foam party is an event where large amounts of foam are sprayed onto a dance floor or party area. This creates a bubbly, playful environment for attendees to enjoy. According to Eventbrite, foam parties gained popularity in the 1990s nightclub scene. The foam used is typically made from a mixture of water and non-toxic soap. It's designed to be safe and easy to clean up after the event. This makes foam parties suitable for a variety of settings, from clubs to private celebrations. Foam parties are popular worldwide, especially during summer festivals. They add a unique sensory experience that combines music, dancing, and playful interaction. In fact, many event organizers report higher attendance rates when foam is involved. So foam parties are more than just fun. They're a cultural phenomenon that brings people together. Next time you hear about one, you'll know exactly what to expect. Curious to learn more about event trends?